DMI Research Center presents to you COVID-19 vaccinations. In the following presentation, we will go over the different available COVID-19 vaccines and how they work. First, it is important to understand how vaccines work. Vaccines train our immune system to fight against disease. Administration allows our body to make proteins called antibodies, which fight off disease once we come into contact. Coronaviruses like COVID-19 have crown-like spikes on their surface called spike proteins. These spike proteins are ideal targets for vaccines. mRNA vaccines are the first type of available COVID-19 vaccine. Currently, in the U.S., we have Moderna and Pfizer-BioNTech vaccinations available. The vaccine is made of mRNA wrapped in a coating safe for the body. It is important to note mRNA tells your body how to make proteins. mRNA in the vaccine enters our body and teaches our cells to make copies of the spike protein, indicated by the red T shape. The vaccine cannot change your DNA, it teaches our cells. The vaccine cannot give you COVID-19, it is not a live vaccine. Our body makes antibodies against the newly made spike protein in COVID-19. If you're exposed to the real virus later, your body will recognize it and fight it off. Viral vector vaccines are the next type of vaccine. Currently, in the U.S., we have the Johnson & Johnson vaccine available. Spike protein DNA from the virus is removed and combined with a vector, and teaches our cells to make the spike protein. A vector is a harmless version of a different virus. Our body makes antibodies against the newly made spike protein in COVID-19. If you are exposed to the real virus later, your body will recognize it and fight it off. The vaccine cannot change your DNA, it teaches our cells. The vaccine cannot give you COVID-19, it is not live. The last type of vaccine are protein subunit vaccines. Novavax is not yet approved in the U.S., but is currently in process and may be available in the future. Spike protein DNA is removed from the virus and inserted into bacteria, yeast, or animal cells. Spike proteins are grown from these organisms in a lab. Spike protein, the protein subunit, is filtered and removed, then combined with immune-boosting substances, which are indicated by the purple triangles. The vaccine then enters our cells and teaches them to make the spike protein. Our body makes antibodies against the newly made spike protein in COVID-19. If you are exposed to the real virus later, your body will recognize it and fight it off. The vaccine cannot change your DNA, it teaches our cells. The vaccine cannot give you COVID-19, it is not live. If you wish to learn more, visit cdc.gov/coronavirus/vaccines. You may also visit your respected vaccine manufacturer's website for more information.